Hello everyone. Now in this video I will be explaining you about the median and altitude of a triangle. So first of all I am going to explain you about the median of a triangle. So if you see the definition, median is a straight line that joins the vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of the side opposite to it. Now to understand the meaning of this definition, I am going to show you using a diagram. So first of all I am going to draw a triangle. So here is my triangle ABC, and if you can see here in the triangle ABC I have three vertices, isn't it? Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. So three vertices are A, B and C. Now what median is? It is a straight line that join a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay. So meaning of that is if I take A as a vertex, then we have to find the midpoint of the side BC. And the line which join the A with the midpoint of side BC is called as the median. So first of all, let me find out the median of all the three sides of the triangle ABC. So I have a ready-made tool available over here which can give me the midpoint of the triangle, of the sides of the triangle. So for side BC, midpoint is here, which is point E. So I'm going to delete this one extra, it has come. Same way, now I'm going to find the midpoint of side AC, which is point D, and the midpoint of side AB is point F. So now I'm going to join vertex A to the opposite midpoint of the opposite side. Now for vertex A, opposite side is BC and the midpoint of side BC is E. So I have to join from A to E. This is my one of the median. Same way from B to D, this is another median, and from C to F is my third median. And all these medians are meeting at point G here. G is known as the centroid of the triangle. Okay. So the point where all the three medians meet is known as the centroid of the triangle. Now when I draw the median of this triangle, you can see all the three medians lie interior of the triangle, isn't it? And this triangle is acute angle triangle. Now if I change this acute angle triangle to right angle triangle, again my all the three medians lie inside the triangle. Again I am further changing this to obtuse angle triangle. Again my all the three medians are inside the triangle. So whatever is the type of the triangle, all the three medians will always be in the interior of the triangle, and the midpoint of the and all the and the point where all the three medians. Now next I am going to explain you about the altitude of a triangle. So if you see the definition, altitude is a straight line that joins the vertex of a triangle with a point on the side opposite to it and is perpendicular to that side. Here also the line will join a vertex and a point on the opposite side, but in the previous case when it was a median, the line was joining vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Here the line is joining the vertex to a point on the opposite side such that that line will form a 90-degree angle on the opposite side. Perpendicular means making a right angle at the intersection point. So again I am going to explain this by using a figure. So here is my triangle ABC. I am going to draw it. So this is my triangle ABC, and again here I have three vertices A, B and C. So I have to draw a perpendicular from point vertex A to the opposite side BC. So let's draw a perpendicular here from A to the opposite side BC. This is my perpendicular. Same way from B to the opposite side AC, and from vertex C to the opposite side AB. And here again you can see all the three altitudes are meeting here at point D, and this meeting point is known as the orthocenter of the triangle. Okay, so the meeting point of altitude is known as the orthocenter of the triangle. So I have told these altitude will form a 90-degree angle at the opposite side. So now I'm going to measure. So now you can see here at the meeting point, it is forming a 90-degree angle. Okay. Again, this is a acute angle triangle, and you can see all the three altitudes are inside the triangle. And the meeting point of altitude is known as orthocenter of the triangle. Now I'm going to change this acute angle triangle to right angle triangle. And what you can observe here, when I make this triangle as a right angle triangle, my two of the altitude became the sides of the triangle, isn't it? The altitude which is from vertex A is now overlapping with side AB, and the vertex and the altitude which I have drawn from vertex C, it is overlapping on side BC, isn't it? And only one of the altitude you can see here, which is BF, which is on the side. Now I'm going to change this right angle triangle to obtuse angle triangle, and what we can see here, see now it is a obtuse angle triangle, and we can see here my two of the altitudes are outside the triangle, isn't it? Can you see two of the altitude are outside and only one of the altitude is inside the triangle? Okay, so in a obtuse angle triangle, only one of the altitude will be inside, the other two will be the outside of the triangle. And as I already said, altitude will make a 90-degree angle, isn't it, on the opposite side. So from vertex A, now you see the opposite side is BC. Now where it is making 90-degree, to show the 90-degree angle, what we can do, we can make a, we can extend the side BC over here. Okay, I've extended the side, and let me put it using a dotted line, and you can see here very clearly, here it is forming a 90-degree angle. Same way, if I extend this side, isn't it? If I extend this side, again you can see here, here it is forming a 90-degree angle which is from vertex C. Is it clear? So hope now it is clear to everyone. The median of a triangle is a straight line that joins a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the side opposite to it. And altitude is a line which joins vertex of a triangle to a point which is opposite to the side and making a perpendicular at the intersection point, isn't it? Moreover, the meeting point of the median of a triangle is known as the centroid of the triangle, and the meeting point of a altitude is known as the orthocenter of the triangle. In a right angle triangle, two of the altitudes are its side, whereas in an obtuse angle triangle, two of the altitude will